And deep in my soul, I know you meant, and my heart belongs to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vandana. Happy birthday to you.
वंदना, कैसी हो बेटा? जन्मदिन की बधाई हो। गॉड ब्लेस यू। बहुत अच्छा बर्थडे है आज, फर्स्ट क्लास एकदम।
वरना आज के दिन तुम्हारे लिए यही दुआ है भगवान से, तुम हमेशा खुश रहो, हमेशा हंसती रहो। जो तुम्हारी प्यारी सी हंसी है वो तो सारी दुनिया में बिखरे।
हंसती कैसे है? एकदम एक ही मौसम ऐसे है। हमें हंसते रहना बेटा, तुमको हंसते रहते देखना है।
हैप्पी बर्थडे
और बोलो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। आज न्यू ईयर ये खास मिलने के लिए तेरे से। देवी एंजॉय कर रही है। तू
आज
भी
का
हंसना।
दिन याद करना और हमेशा हंसती रहना। गॉड ब्लेस।
जन्मदिन जो घणी बधाई होती, हमेशा खुश रहिजे, सुखी रहिजे, असांजी तोखे आसीस आहे, सुखी रहिजे। ॿियो तुंहिंजी असांखे ॾाढी यादि ईंदी, तुंहिंजा जाम सुठा केक करे खाराया अथई, ऐं जॾहिं जॾहिं मां बेसणी मिठाई कंदमि तोखे ख़ूब यादि कंदमि। तूं त सुनील खे करे खाराइजांइ त मूंखे ज़रूरु यादि कजांइ। आई आहे न? ॿियो छा कयां? ख़ुशि हुजां, सुखी हुजे, ख़ुशि रहिजे, असांजी आसीस आहे तूं।
मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरे है आज से। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू डियर वंदना, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। सॉरी वंदना, मुझे आवाज़ ख़राब है, पर तभी भी तुझे लाइ गानो ॻाए थी ना। पाण एॾो कठो न रहिया आहियूं वंदना, बट तभी मूंखे तोसां जाम वणंदो आहे, तुंहिंजी कंपनी वणंदी आहे, तूं जाम जाम पीस माइंडेड आई, जाम सुठी ॻाल्हि लॻंदी आहे तुंहिंजी, तूं कुकिंग में एॾो इंट्रस्ट खणंदी आई, ई ॻाल्हि तुंहिंजी वणंदी आहे असांखे, है न। गॉड ब्लेस यू। तूं ऐं सुनील हमेशा ख़ुशि रहिजो। वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर वंदना, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे वंदना, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vandana. Happy birthday to you. वंदना, तुझो बर्थडे आज
बर्थडे जो बधाई थी और हाणे तुंहिंजी शादी थियण वारी आहे, उनजो बि तो लख लख बधाई थी। और तूं पंहिंजे ससुराल में हमेशा ख़ुशि रहो और हमेशा खिलंदी रहिजे और असांखे फ़ोन कंदी रहिजे। थैंक यू।
यही सोचो हर एक साल सुठो बर्थडे थींदो रहे और तू खुश रहे, हमेशा जिते भी रहे खुश रहे।
वंदना तोखे जन्म ॾींहं जूं लख लख बधाई हुजनि। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू and you should be happy always and you get all the happiness for the years to come.
वंदना, तोखे जन्मदिन जी जाम घणी घणी वाधायूं थी। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। तोखे हर खुशी मिले ऐं तूं जाम ख़ुशि रहीं। तोसां सां असांजी जाम सारी मेमोरीज़ आहिनि ऐं हर मेमोरी असांजे करे स्पेशल आहे।
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Didi, happy birthday to you. Vandana Didi, wish you a very very happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. May all your wishes come true. You live a happy life and you have amazing year ahead.
Vandana Didi, many happy returns of the day and tons of love from my side.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vandana. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday dear Vandana. Happy birthday to you.
Vandana, we love you a lot. तू असांजी अखियुनि जो तारो आई, तोखे असां जाम प्यार कंदा आहियूं। तोखे हितेश ने अभिषेक कुछ चैन चाहिए था, हाणे तू हितेश अभिषेक की ॻाल्हि
बता दीदी, love you so much and this song is specially for you. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, जब से तेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से मेरे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर। आ मेरे पास आ के जो कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूल का तारों का सबका कहना है। बंधु दीदी, आई एम श्योर तव्हांखे वीडियो जाम वणियो हूंदो अने मम्मी तव्हांजे लाइ अनेक शइ प्रिपेयर कई आहे जो तव्हांखे जाम वणंदी आहे ऐं मां श्योर आहियां तव्हांखे जाम वणंदो।
तोखे ख़बर आहे तू जॾहिं नंढी हुई त तू छा खाईंदी हुई? नीवी जेतिरी हुई? हाँ बराबर, खंड फुल्को। हाणे मां तुंहिंजे लाइ खंड फुल्को ई ठाहियां थी, तू है न खंड फुल्को खाइजे। हाँ दिस फुल्को तैयार थी वियो, तो जो खंड फुल्को, तो जो खंड फुल्को रेडी। लव यू वंदना।
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to dear Bandhu, happy birthday to you. Yes Bandhu, I want to salute you. You are the true Bombay blood and आपने मुझे बहुत सारी बातों में इंस्पायर किया है एंड सीरियसली फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड आई हैव लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम यू टुडे। मैं आपको ख़ास तौर पे सिर्फ मेरी ही नहीं, मेरी डैडी योगी भारती और भावना और मम्मी की तरफ से भी आपको विश करना चाहता हूँ दैट हैप्पी बर्थडे। आप हमेशा जीवन में खुश रहें और हमेशा ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहें ऑलवेज एंड हमेशा आप अपने आसपास खुशियाँ फैलाते रहें। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई वांट कि आप हमेशा तरक्की की सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ें हमेशा। हम यू हैव मेड अस रियली प्राउड एंड आई मस्ट से दैट you have made me a better person really. Those small things I have learned from you जो कि आप बहुत मायने रखते हैं इस रियल लाइफ में। I get so many things in my mind when I think about Bandhu that and I really remember that childhood story that मैं जब छोटा था तो मैं चूहा बनता था छोटा सा and we used to play that cute game in second floor Nana's puja room that will be with me forever and yes that is the sweetest thing I never shared with any of my brothers sisters but with Bandhu. And yes Bandhu, I really want कि don't forget me and I really want कि आप हमेशा हम पूरे परिवार का नाम रोशन करें and thank you so much for listening me and yes, I will talk to you. I'll wish you on phone. Then you tell me how is this video. Thank you. Take care. Happy birthday once again.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. Wish you lots of success, happiness, and fun in your life. So we were asked to list a couple of things regarding you. So the best thing about you would definitely be that you are you. Like I can share anything with you, any smallest and the most scariest of the detail of my life without thinking about the consequences. And I think that's the best thing about you, that I've got such a good friend in you. Next would be the best time that I have spent with you, and definitely it would be the time when me and Raj we came over to your place and we spent the whole summer vacation at your place. I think that was the biggest bonding moment that I got with you. And finally, a song which I would like to dedicate to you, and it would be a song which right now I'm kind of in a blues and jazz phase, so it would be the song Hold On by Sam and Dave. You can check it out on Google. Sam and Dave, the Jazz Messengers, and the song is Hold On. I would like to dedicate that to you. And now the little extra touch, that is tada. Don't worry, I'm not that great of a player, but I learned this from my friend, and here dedicating this to you. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing it out loud because I still want to be part of this family, and I don't want you to give any reason to throw me out. So here, this is dedicating for you. Sorry, I'll start again. I hope you might have got what I was trying to play. If not, then I'll definitely play it to you in person. But for now, wishing you a very happy birthday again, and looking forward to see you on your wedding.
Happy birthday, Vandana.
Happy birthday, Vandana. Hope you're having a really great day.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Just to the questions, what was our most memorable moment? It would have to be that time we were all in the back of your dad's car driving to Sonal's wedding, and we all were cracking jokes one after another. And it was just so funny. One that I remember, we'll save those for later, but we're really looking forward to seeing you soon and sharing those jokes again and having all those laughs. And the song dedication would have to be something from Veer Zara, because we watched that together and that was really funny.
Or something by Salman Khan, because we know how much you love him. Yeah. Hope you have a really special day.
I hope you have a great day, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.
And lots of exciting times for you ahead. So enjoy.
Okay, bye.
Hi Vanadi, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all your dreams come true, and you have an amazing birthday. Enjoy.
Hi, this is Kiran. Hope you remember me. We met at Navya's party. Many happy returns of the day, and wish you a very happy life.
Hi Vandana, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you always. Lots of love. Let you have a good life.
Hi Vandana, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope this birthday is a memorable one. Your last one as Miss Acharya before you move into the next phase of your life. God bless.
Sonia, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. It's your last one before you get married, so please have a blast. Enjoy as much as you can. Do whatever you like, and also want to wish you all the best for your future.
Hi Vandu, we met some 13-14 years ago through Varsha, and I've always considered you my younger sister too. Things that I like about you: you're very loving, caring, friendly, very creative, a no-nonsense kind of a person. Memorable time that we've spent together, I guess it would be the time that we got to bond during Varsha's wedding. And a song that I would like to dedicate to you would be the title track from Aisha, because you're so fun-loving and free-spirited. Wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of love always.
Happy birthday, Vandana! Okay, first of all, we are sorry we did not invite you for this night out, since we had to make this video just for you, special, okay?
A very happy birthday, and firstly, this is your first and last birthday with your parents, with your family. I hope you enjoy it, because next year you would be in Australia, you would never meet any of us or something. So I would wish you all the best, all the happiness in life, and God bless you, and enjoy your spinster birthday the most.
I wish you all the best. Last birthday as a spinster. Enjoy to the fullest. And do whatever you want before getting married.
Yeah, do whatever but be good.
I know.
Yeah.
And special message to auntie uncle. जो करवाना है वो करवा लो. अभी से नहीं आने वाली है हाथ में. Next birthday तो भूल जाओ. पता नहीं कभी आएगी फिर से. And also most importantly, you better stay in touch.
Yeah.
Unlike others.
Let's plan something soon so we can make this special day.
Have
of
a rocking
yours.
spinster party.
Yeah. We better plan something. And all the very best to your husband. Bichara has to bear you for the rest of his life now. हमसे तो छुटकारा मिल गया.
Bye. See you.
All the best.
Enjoy.
We miss you, Vandana. Hope to stay in touch always.
Yeah.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
This was better.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to dear Vandana, happy birthday है मेरी ये आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू वंदना, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। थैंक यू।
वंदना जी ये ॻाल्हि मूंखे सुठी लॻी कि जॾहिं गायत्री जो वियांउ हो त हू हिकिड़ो ॾींहुं पहिरीं बि अची ने हेल्प कई ने, शादी जे ॿिए ॾींहुं शादी हुई त बि आई, मुंहिंजो एग्ज़ाम हूंदे बि हू वियांउ में अची ने बीठी। उहा ॻाल्हि मूंखे जाम वणंदी आहे वंदना जी।
अरे ये ॻाल्हि त छॾ, पाण जे घर वियासीं यादि आहे? वियासीं न, हुन अची करे न पाण खे विश कई फादर डे, त मूंखे अची जेको विश कई न त एॾो सुठो लॻो, ऐं हैरान थी वियुसि। फर्स्ट टाइम मूंखे विश कई आहे कई। पोइ असां ॻाल्हायूं पिया, थोरी देरि खां पोइ अंदरि अंदरि में वञी न हुन पाण चॉकलेट केक ठाही अचो, ऐं जॾहिं कलाक ॾेढ खां पोइ चॉकलेट केक रखी, कैंडल्स ॿारी, महेश भाई, राजेंद्र भाई ऐं टई ॼणा वेही न हुते केक कटियो आहे। अहिड़ो सुठो लॻो मूंखे कि बसि फर्स्ट टाइम मुंहिंजो फादर डे सेलिब्रेट कयो, एंड आई वॉज सो हैप्पी।
विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट इन लाइफ। भगवान करे हमेशा तू सुखी रहो।
वंदना, तुम्हें जन्मदिन की 100 बधाइयाँ, और हमेशा ज़िंदगी में इसी तरह खुश रहो, ये हमारी शुभकामनाएं।
Hi Vandana, you remember the first time we met during yours and Sunil's engagement? The most memorable time that we have spent together is, I think, the rickshaw ride that we took from the airport to to Sakinaka, to one restaurant for having breakfast while we were leaving Sunil. The best thing that I like about you is you are very friendly. You never let me feel that you are my Jeethani or Bhabhi. So the best thing that I like about you is your friendly nature and your helping and caring nature. You are always there to help. You are always caring. The song that I want to dedicate to you is तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many happy returns of the day, and may God fulfill all your wishes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Vandana. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Vandana. Hope you have a great and a wonderful year ahead. All our best wishes and all the love.
Happy birthday, Vandana. May this birthday be really exciting for you, and hope you have many such birthdays. Keep smiling and be always happy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vandana. Celebrate and enjoy the day as never before. Many birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Thank you.